If you're searching for a quick and delicious salad, look no further because today we're making this bright, zesty citrus salad. The very first step is peeling all of your citrus. To do so, you'll need a sharp knife and you want to cut around the pith so that you're exposing the flesh or the pulp of the citrus.
Worst fruit.
And don't worry, you don't need to use 20 varieties of citrus for this recipe to turn out well. All you need is 2 or 3. Next up, we're going to slice all these beautiful gems into 3 to 4 slices. Layer all of these slices on your serving platter. I like to use a light colored one, such as this white one. It just allows the citrus to shine through and show off their colors. Season the citrus with some flaky salt. This will draw out the moisture and make them extra juicy and flavorful. For the dressing, we're keeping things super simple by juicing all of these leftover peels. We're saving a little bit of juice for the vinaigrette and sipping on the rest of it. Since we're mostly working with oranges for this salad, which tend to be very sweet, I'm using some strawberry vinegar to balance out the flavors and just brighten the whole vinaigrette. Next up, we're going in with some freshly grated ginger, which pairs so well with the citrus and adds a very pleasant sharpness to the salad. So right now, we have the sweet, we got the sour, we need something salty to balance out the mix, which in this case will be some crumbled feta, which is super creamy, pleasant, and it adds a nice body to the salad. And last but certainly not least, we have some roasted pistachios. They're there for color, texture, but also flavor. And just like that, a handful of ingredients later, we have our beautiful, vibrant salad ready to go.
Look at that. Delicious.